guys, John here. Y'all know me, I'm a tool man, and today I've got a cool tool to share with you. This right here is a cordless electric chainsaw. It's a mini saw. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, but first I wanna point out this. And that is this carrying case. Heavy duty, you gotta keep this thing safe everywhere you go. Now, check it out. We've got these metal buckles. Once we undo these, open it up, and we'll find everything you need right here. Now it comes with an additional chain. It comes with the unit itself. Now, this is lightweight, maneuverable. It's going to be able to get in and get out just like you want to do, and you're not going to waste any time at your job site. Now, it also has this extra bar here. This extra bar is a 6-inch bar. If you're cutting a little bit bigger material, you're going to go ahead and switch to this. All right, now it's got not one, but 2 lithium-ion batteries. These are each 20 volt, 2 amp hours, so you got one on the saw, one on the charger, and you're always going to be good to go. Comes with some instructions here. It's got a charging cord right there. It comes with gloves with nice grip bubbles on them, and it comes with some safety goggles. So you have everything you need right here to get started. Now, I wanted to show you some of the functions of the saw. One of the things that's really cool is it's got this scroll type tensioner. So you can put chain tension on by going down, it tightens the chain, and by scrolling back up, it's going to loosen the chain. Now, if you're going to replace the chain, all you got to do is screw this retainer off of here. Pull this out. Once you've got the retainer off, you'll be able to swap everything out right from here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go get this other chain and this other bar on here. So just go ahead and press that on like so. Make sure you're lining up the guide plates here with the holes in the saw. So once we've got that established, then we want to open up our new 6-inch chain. We're going to go ahead and thread that onto there. So now chains, a lot of times we'll do that. Very, very easy. Just grab the middles and pull the middles out and give it a little bit of a shake. That's all you've got to do to get rid of that. So once you've got it on there, go ahead, snap that back on. Make sure it goes in the locator holes here and here. Then we're going to go ahead and put this retainer back on. Make sure we turn it clockwise to get it thread back on there. And then before we do anything else, we want to make sure that we tighten that tensioner because we don't want this chain to fall off of here. So once we've got it on, we're ready to go.